Hi, today we're just going to look at some sample in2loyalty sites. So if you're curious of how others are using in2loyalty, we'll have a look at that now. So first of all, here we're actually looking at in2loyalty's in2loyalty site. I mean, after all, we have to use exactly the product that we are providing to our clients. So in2loyalty site, we use it as a referral card. If someone's not logged in, then they obviously want to know about the product. They want to know how to contact us. And they want to know our latest news. Now we use the Twitter feeds as the latest news. If they are a client, or not a client, but if they have logged in and signed up as part of the mobile in2loyalty site, then they're one of our referrers. And so they have their referral card and they receive stamps for each referral. So that's how in2loyalty uses in2loyalty. We use it as a referral card and also as a mobile site so people can find us and know a lot about us. Now often we get asked about what type of business, and really any type of business can use in2loyalty. So let's look at a service-based business. This business here is a training marketing company. So they often have high-end clients as businesses that are clients, and they use in2loyalty for their workshop calendar. So people on the move who are regular clients of theirs can see what their calendar is and sign up to those calendar events, to their workshops. They also obviously want people to be able to contact them and find their latest news. Again, being service-based business, the latest news is very important. You really want to give people that information, and so is this workshop information for this company. When you think about mobile, you have to think about what people would want to know from their mobile phone. So if they're trying to find your company, what type of information would they like to know while they're on the move? Let's look at another service-based business, because it is interesting that often we'll think of a mobile site just for restaurants and retail stores, but it's actually for everyone. At some stage, someone is looking for you via a mobile phone, and we need to give them the information they need. So this here is also another training-based business, and they also use a calendar. They do their calendar slightly different, where they also include their pricing, and they let people know whether that session is currently booked out or not, and that's really useful for people. Now again, mobile users don't have to be signed up or registered with this company. They can just see this information. So if I was looking for a particular training course on my mobile phone and I came across this company, I already have their calendar, their pricing, whether it's sold out, and then their locations. So I can instantly contact them via the email or the phone call, where I can just click and it'll automatically go. And obviously I can also use the GPS function to get directions from where I currently am to where the business is located. Another service-based business, rather than having a calendar, what they do is list their services, and that's a really important thing. So of course you include images or just actual information, and include in there what all your services are. Now an unusual business that we have is actually an indoor sports centre. And what they use in2loyalty for is again a referral card. So they use it so when people refer other clients to join a team or be part of one of the teams that's in the indoor sports centre, they get a stamp. Now they also use the promotions very well to show what actually they do. So all the different sports they have, they'll have promotions or information about those sports. And for their custom page, they actually list the sports that they offer in their indoor sports centre. Now for them, the contact is obviously very important. So if someone's trying to find the indoor sports centre in Brisbane, they can instantly find the email, find the phone number, and obviously use the GPS facility as well. Now the traditional in2loyalty type of business is your retail or your restaurant business. Now the advantage there is someone on their mobile phone can instantly find out whether you're open, and they do that through the contact page, find out where your store's located, get instant directions, and most importantly, look at the menu before they turn up, or look at the menu and call to make that takeaway order. Now when you think about mobile users, that's the real thing that they need to know. They're really wanting instant access to that information. So here's some examples of how in2loyalty is used by various clients. And as you can see, it can be any type of business. Whether you're a retail, whether you're a restaurant, a cafe. Cafes would use in2loyalty to maybe show all the different bean types that they have, or the different, they might have a menu, or it could even be very specific, just a coffee menu, or a tea house would have just a tea menu. So you can be very specific and give the information that mobile users want to know.